Set up two-step verification on Amazon like a pro. I'll show you how to do it in today's video. First things first, you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Go in the top right corner, click on Login Settings. Once you're here, it's going to look something like this where it has your name, email. What you're going to do is click that Manage button, and this is where you can manage your two-step verification. It's going to look something like this, where you can have an authenticator and you can also have your cell phone as a backup. Now, I recommend to have both. The first thing you want to set up first is your cell phone number. So you're going to click Add New Phone. Then all you have to do is just put in your country. It almost has every country, your mobile number, get a text message, and then put that code in, and then your two-step verification is set up for your phone. If you don't get that text message, I highly recommend doing voice delivery, which works almost every single time. Once that's done, now you can do the second one, which is an Authenticator app. This one is just a backup, so if you lost your cell phone, you've got a backup with the Authenticator. To get your Authenticator app, what you're going to do is Google Chrome. So you're going to type in Google Chrome Authenticator. This is one way to get an Authenticator app right here. And there's another one, there's an app on your cell phone called Authy. So you can go into your app store with your Android app store, which is Google Play, or your Apple app store and download something called Authy, A-U-T-H-Y, right? But this is one for your desktop. I like this one a lot. Authy's great too. But what you're gonna do is click Add It, and then you're gonna add that Chrome extension. Once you add that Chrome extension, then you're going to click Add New App right here, Add New App. Once you do that, then it's going to show you a special code. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open up Authy, the Authenticator, and you're gonna scan, see it says scan QR code, you're gonna scan that, and then you're gonna scan it, and then it should be able to recognize it, right? If it says unrecognized QR code and you scan it again, and it's not working, what you're going to do is click this button right here that says can't scan the barcode. It happens a lot, it just is what it is. You're gonna click can't scan barcode. It's gonna give you a special key. So you're gonna click on Authy, edit it, click add account, manual entry, and then you're just gonna type in Amazon, so you remember that it's Amazon, and then type in that secret code. You're gonna copy and paste it into here, click OK, and then you should be good to go. You're just gonna copy that Authenticator, put it into Amazon, and you should be done, and your Authenticator is set up. So if you lose your cell phone, you've got a backup on your computer, or you have an app that you can download on any phone and log into for a backup. Those are the two different ways to set up an Authenticator two-step verification. And that's it for today's video. If you want me to create more videos regarding Amazon, let me know what you want me to talk about next in the video below, in the comment section below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. We're here to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.